In this video, we will learn how to register as a landlord in Scotland. It's very easy. Many people think that it's difficult. It's just one single application which you need to fill. It will cost you £85. Application with single local authority, £85. Local authority means, like, for example, if you wanted to put your property and register yourself in Glasgow and in Dundee, let's suppose, then £42.50 per local authority. So if you got properties in 3 different locations, this will multiply. Property cost for each property rented out by the landlord is £20. Late application, 170. Later on in this video, I will explain you about the late application. Now, before that, let me show you how to start this application. Just go on Google. In the search section, just write Scotland Landlord Register. Click on this link. You will land on this page. There are 3 options. First one, search. Second one, new landlord. Third one is existing. So click on this one, new landlords. Before you start, this will take 20 minutes and it's very easy, but do remember short-term let. So if you're doing properties in Scotland and you need a short-term let license, then watch this video in which I have explained how you can apply for short-term let license. In England, we don't have short-term let license. I have also created a video in which I have explained how you can apply landlord registration in England. Watch this video, which will explain you if you are from England. So in this video, we will start with Scotland. So click start now. Saving your application, your temporary application code. So save this number, enter your email address, click continue. The next question is, which of the following best describe you as an individual or as an organization? We'll go for individual. Enter your personal detail, first name, last name, other names, date of birth, and click continue. Next question is about contact detail, email address and your contact number, and then click continue. The next question about your address history. Is the address in Scotland? Yes, continue. The next question is about your conviction and judgment. Do you have any relevant spent or unspent criminal conviction or any court or tribunal judgment? No. Continue. Anti-social behavior orders, ASBO. Have you or your tenant have ever been served with ASBO? No. Let's suppose. Next question is about ASBN, anti-social behavior notice. Have you ever been issued with this? No. Continue. License, registration and accreditation you hold. Do you hold any license, registration and voluntary accreditation? Don't include HMO license. We'll ask for those separately. So if you have any, click yes, otherwise no. The next question is about refused or revoked licenses. Have you ever had a registration, license or accreditation related to letting a house in the UK? Refused or revoked? No. Let's suppose. Repairing and tolerable standard. As a landlord, you must ensure that any privately rented properties comply with the repairing and tolerable standard throughout the tenancy. This applies to all landlords, including those that use an agent or letting agent to manage their properties. As a landlord, please confirm, have you read, understood and comply with your obligations? If you don't know, click on this one. This will guide you. Click yes, continue. Your obligations. To help you answer the maximum 12 questions that follow, you'll need to find any relevant document and certificate for your rental property. These are existing regulations. So let's click continue and start. Number 1, gas safety. Do you have a current gas safety certificate for all your rental properties that use gas? Now this is for all the properties. So let's suppose you have 3 properties. So this is why they are asking for all the properties. So yes, no or not applicable. So yes, because not applicable because sometimes you go electric hops, everything electric, so you don't need it. So click yes. Electrical safety. This is about ECIR. So do you have electrical installation certificate or ECIR for all these ones? You must renew them every 5 years. So yes, continue. Electrical appliance test, that's PAT testing. This is important. If you don't have electrical PAT testing, then it will be a trouble for you. It's very easy. If you wanted to know how to become an electrical PAT tester, watch this video. I have explained how you can become yourself. It's 1-day course. You just do the course and buy the device. This is it's very easy. You can do everything yourself. Next question is about fire, smoke and heat detection. So in Scotland, as per new law, you must have interlinked fire alarms, smoke alarms, and heat detection. Click yes. Carbon monoxide detection. Does every property you rent out got that? Yes. So if you got a boiler, then you do need it. Public water supply. Does Scottish Water supply your rental properties? Yes. EPC. That's important. You must have a valid EPC. It usually lasts for 10 years, so you must have it. So whenever you buy a property, there is EPC attached at the back of the home report. Next one is about the water risk assessment. So yes, you have it. Rental property insurance is mandatory. If you rent out property, do you have appropriate building insurance? So yes, it's mandatory for everyone. Common repair. If you rent out your properties, are you aware of your obligations of any common repair? Common repairs mean, for example, the wall got cracked, or floor got any uneven, or the floor is not right, or the carpet is too old. Any of these kind of things. If you plan to take or have taken a deposit, are you aware of tenancy deposit obligations? Yes. If you don't know, click on this link and open it, and I'll also put the link in the description as well. The next question is about, do you want to apply with a rental property? That means if you already got a property and it's already on rent, and then so in this case the property is not on rent. For example, you have three options. If you live in property but plan to rent out in the future. One, if you are in process of applying buy to let mortgage, or it's on a joint name. So no, continue. Local authority. Now you have all the council names in Scotland. This means not where you from, is basically where your property is located. Okay. So if you got property in different councils, you'll select different. Continue. Now check all the questions, check all the answers. If you are happy with all the answers, then at the bottom, click continue. The next page is about the payment. So if you have registered, let's suppose 2 local authorities, it will ask you £42.50, £42.50, £85 total, and then amount of properties. So if you have 5 properties, it will be £100, £20 for each property. So 105 I have to pay. Payment, the total amount you have to pay is this. Payment will be taken using gov.uk pay. You will be redirected back once the payment is successful. So click continue to pay. Now on this page, obviously you have to enter your card number, expiry date, name on card, address, contact details, and click continue. Once you have done the payment, you will get the email on this email address, and you will click confirm payment. This will take you to this page where it says application submitted. It says the total amount you have paid and the city, council, all that stuff. It gives you the reference number as well for both the councils, and it also says what happens next. The information you submitted need to be reviewed by the corresponding local authority. They may contact you if they need to confirm anything, and then click sign out. So this is how easy you can do the registration yourself. If you don't do it, that's mean you're asking for trouble. If you have any question, put that in comment section and I'll get back to you.